Stop. When the train stops, push down or pull up on your right bar. Unbuckle your seatbelt, gather your belongings, and exit to the left hand door of the station. Thank you for riding the great ride.
Yep.
Welcome to Morey's Piers Great White. Please carefully enter the train and place all these articles in
I almost tripped.
the platform. Once you are seated, fasten your seatbelt, but do not touch the lap bar.
See?
I hate these seatbelts.
Oh, these seatbelts aren't that bad.
Secure the lap bar for you. As our attendants approach, please raise your hands over your head so we can properly check your restraints.
Thank you. They don't like me holding it out.
It's not safe.
Well, hopefully they can see the track.
I can.
I guess you can see the track a little bit on mine. You also have height advantage on yours.
I can't wait for one of the best views on any wind coaster. Or any coaster anyway, honestly.
Wow.
Yep. And here we go.
Getting air on this ride. Wow. Laterals! I saw a tin brake mount there. That was pretty good.
It's a really fun CCI.
Wow. Oh, we're going back in.
Yeah, the person who designed it wrote it yesterday. Dennis. He brought his son before they put the timber line